It's a wonderful idea to make a wonderful circus here in Lyon. We will have a lot of transformed animals. I really like it.
De la cuava di maestro Γλένια, ευχαριστώ και τον κύριο Πάνο.
Στα χέρια της κρατούσε ένα σπόρο της για να φτιάχνουμε λάδι και από το ξύλο της
My experience, it's very great. When we started it back in 2015, in November, we didn't know that it would have such a great impact on the other schools. And since then, every school in all the other countries, they did a lot of workshops like this one. And we are really looking forward for our final show in May, where all countries come together and we have really the biggest show on the world.